Here is everything that comes with this rectangle chafing dish. So it's a 2 set. So you can see it has 2 tops. It has for 4 burners, 2 burners for each set. It has the thing that goes around it. It comes with little thongs. These are the, I believe they go on the side so you could lift it up, or those are the legs. And then you have those 2 so you could put the little candle on there to keep the food warm. And you got the deep dish here where you put the water to keep it hot or the ice to keep it cold. And you got the thin one. And this is where your food goes, and it goes inside. So you still have a little space for either the ice or the water, the hot water, to keep your food warm. So let's put it together. It's really nice. Here are the lids, very easy to assemble. Just a little handle, the 2 screws, and it has the little lock nuts on the other side. And then this, all it takes is 4 screws, 2 screws on this side and 2 screws on this side. So the little lock goes on the outside and the screw on the inside. This one, all you do is slide it in. So just right there, you slide it in, you can see it. And it even slides back and forth, but just keep it in the middle. So there it is assembled, very easy. What I also really like about this, if you notice, these little legs have hooks on them. And these hooks are for the lid, so you won't put the lid on the side on top of another dish when you're serving. So it goes right here, right in the back, and it holds the lid in place. And that's how it'll look. So you just put the lid in the back and you could help yourself and serve your food and put the lid right back on. Another awesome feature is these little containers for the chafing fuel. It holds all the sizes. So this just goes back on, and then to open it, you just slide this to the side. And then this one that's a little bit bigger that has the wick, it also fits. So when you put it on, you just make sure it's open and it fits perfectly. So really awesome. So they're universal. So on this one, I want it chilled, so I added ice. We're gonna go ahead and put fruit so it can stay nice and cold for the party. So here we go, and we have a cover. Perfect. The colors of these trays go with the color of our party theme. Rose gold and black. Really nice.